police and politician in a problem. I'm not even going to do no intro to this. I'm gonna start this off with Loop is reporting we will be going live on SoFlo TV today at 9 p.m. So please go to his channel, subscribe, hit that notification bell to get updated as to when we go live. We will be going live later on today. So, bye guys. Reports have emerged out of St. Thomas that a police officer and a local politician have fled the island in response to allegation of them having sexual abused a minor who is now pregnant. Two men who are actually wanted by the police are reportedly nowhere around. Reports are that the cop turned in his police-issued firearm and tendered a sudden resignation, with no reference to a new notice period that was recently announced by the police high command, and promptly flew out of the island. Indications are that both men were allegedly sexually involved with the minor for some time, following which she became pregnant. Upon being informed of the development regarding the child, both men reportedly denied involvement but did not stick around to defend their claims. The matter was reported to the police and investigations are processing with a view of submitting a file to the Office of Director of Public Prosecution. So my first, no, why is it there's a view of submitting it to the DDP? Why is it a view? It needs to be sent to the DDP. No questions about it. Really? Jamaica people kill me, I swear. Yep, that's what I'm going to get to. So, my first question automatically when I hear a story like this is like, where is this child's parent? Because in the report it says this has been happening for some time. So, and I just want one-time thing and she get pregnant. A long time this they happen. So there are telltale signs to when a child is being sexually assaulted, molested, bullying, anything in the book. There are telltale signs. If your child is acting different, if they're not eating, if they're being antisocial, if they have an attitude out of nowhere, if you see their attitudes change drastically from the way they used to be, then you know something is up. So what happened to parents' intuition? Like, which part that gone? Mother of somebody, please explain it to me. This police officer and this politician are people of authority, and Jamaican people have a problem with always trusting people of authority and influence with their children. Whether a pastor, teacher, police, doctor, the list goes on and on. As long as them have some form of job, I guess, or career field, or them have some big degree, then they're entrusting of another human being to actually protect their blood. You ever hear the saying say, blood thicker than water? Right? First problem I have with this story is, how was this person allowed to resign without a 2-week notice, or without whatever notice they're allowed in Jamaica? Because I know that the JCF has a specific time frame when you're going to resign, that you have to put in your letter and you have to wait a certain amount of time for them to find a replacement, then you can leave. So how this police officer just come issue, put in a firearm, put in a resignation, and then fly out of the country? That's another issue. If this was an investigation and you know people of authority like a police officer and a politician is under investigation, why not put them on a restriction as being a flight risk? So police and politicians have the influence and the money to actually get a visa or get paperwork to fly out of Jamaica quick, fast. So knowing that you're doing an investigation about something as serious as this, why not put them on restriction? You just have them the gallivant all over the island. They do what them feel like they do. And now they're out of the island. So how are you guys going to actually fix this? How are you guys going to actually go to wherever they are, because nobody know which part them fly gone, and actually take them back to Jamaica so they can face their peers in the court of law? How now do that now? How uno actually give this girl justice for what has been done to her? Where is Indocom when you need them? Because Indocom's supposed to depend this long, like from yesterday. With police involved from yesterday. And this goes to show when you have power, authority, influence, or you're in a position at Jamaica, you can get away with anything. And there needs to be stricter punishment for anybody of any influence in Jamaica that does stuff like this, because they get out of hand now. They find it very easy at Jamaica for just molest off and rape off and breed the little girls in Jamaica, and it's disgusting actually. It's very disgusting and disturbing. So stricter punishment needs to be imposed on these people, like politician, pastor, doctor, lawyer, or whatever you are, that are actually abusing their authority like this, because it's getting out of hand. And people are getting away with this on rapid levels. Like on every level people are getting away with this, and it's not okay. And I don't see any of this in mainstream media. I don't see anybody reporting this except the Loop News. What only for their report do they not report pun. But that's all I have to say. Comment in the comment section, tell me what you guys think about this story. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we will be going live on Soulflow TV today at 9 p.m. So please go to his channel, subscribe, hit that notification bell to get updated as to when we go live. We will be going live later on today. So, bye guys.